Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add a Masonry gallery like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder and Battle Suite for Divi add-on plugin. To add it, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you successfully logged into your site, now you have to add a new plugin called Battle Suite for Divi. To add a plugin, hover over plugins and click on add new. Now in search bar, search Battle Suite for Divi. Here you can see the Battle Suite for Divi by Divi Sensi appears. Click on this install now button and then click on activate. After activation, the plugin will redirect you to its setting page. Now click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Now go to post and click on add new. Here you have to add post title. I will add gallery. Now click on use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will start building from scratch. Now choose a single row and here the module appears. Scroll down. You can see these Sensi modules come with the plugin that we have added now. Here you can see Sensi Masonry Gallery. Select this module. Now click on this plus button to add images in your gallery. I will select these images and then click on this select button. Now scroll down. Here is the order by. I will select it as random. Now show image title in the light box. When you click on image, the image will appear and the title with the image. Now collapse this section and go to grid section. Now you can use responsive thumbnails by changing its size, but I will enable this section and go to design. Now in grid you can increase the columns. I will make it 5 or 6 or you can make it 3. 4 is perfect. Now you can change the size. By default it's selected to 10. I will make it 20. Now it will appear like that. Just go to sizing and change the size of the images like that. Now you can change the module alignment. I will make them center. Now in the animation, you can add animation. I will add fade. Now click on this tick button. Again click on these 3 dots and click on this publish button. Now you have successfully published the post. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now you can see your Masonry gallery was appears. When you click on image, it will open in light box and the title appears under this box. Click on this arrow and the title was changed with the image. Click on this cross button and the light box will disappear. That's how you can add Masonry gallery in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Page Builder and Battle Suite for Divi add-on plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.